All right, in this video, we're going to talk about low back pain, hip pain, and how it relates to the pelvis. This can be greatly misunderstood, and we're going to help clear this up for you.
We're going to talk about why the pelvis can get elevated or rotated like this and one simple stretch to help solve it.
That's right. All right, let's talk about some typical symptoms or pain patterns you may have if you're experiencing this. Number one, you may feel like your hip or your pelvis is hiked up on one side.
And typically you will feel pain associated with this, oftentimes in the low back or sometimes even in the hip.
And sometimes you may feel this when you're walking and maybe feeling uneven with your walking. And people that look at you from a distance, they may say, "You're looking crooked," even though you're not a politician.
So the first option is to simply lift your arm up above your head like this, keeping my pelvis down. If it's tight, it may want to pop up like this. Make sure it is seated down like that. Just holding it up here for 30 seconds can gently stretch those muscles out.
That's right. Again, think of that muscle location. Go ahead and reach up a little more. See how that stretches right there? That's what we're looking at. A gentle stretch. It's a good way to start. All right, another option to this is if you're having this pain while you're walking, simply bring your arm up like this while you're walking and feel the difference in the pain. You can actually bring your arm up here. Now, we know you can't walk around all day with your arm up, so then we're going to go to the next stretches to be a little more aggressive in another manner.
Another option to stretch the same area is to actually go to a door, open it up, and you're going to grab onto the top of the door frame as long as you have a sturdy door frame. You can also do this on a pull-up bar if you happen to have one at home. Now I'm going to lean into the doorway while keeping my hand here. Notice that my palm is actually facing away from me so I can grab the top. And I'm going to get a nice stretch through here again, lifting up the rib cage and dropping the pelvis down, stretching those muscles out so hopefully it reduces that pain you may be experiencing.
So how long are you going to do that for?
15 to 30 seconds. You just have to do the side that is problematic for you. If you want to stretch the other side, you certainly can, but it's not necessary.
And actually, these mops like this work really well because they pivot and they're strong and they work. So, Mike, you want to talk through the technique?
So you can do this in a seated position like I am or standing like Brad. You'd have to go to a tabletop or countertop. Again, we're just going to reach our palm away from us. Same stretch as the doorway. Reach up as high as you comfortably can and lean into the stretch. Again, this will open up those muscles between your ribs and your pelvis here. Make sure when you're doing this stretch, your hand does not slide down like this. You're not going to get the full stretch effect that way. So reach up as high as you comfortably can and just, again, work the painful side.